Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can potentially make $100 per day with a free affiliate marketing method done with high free traffic, and it should be able to be done from anywhere in the world and in any niche that you want to do this in. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and get started on this. First of all, my name is Kevin Lehner with the Freedom Motivator channel that you see right here on your screen. And for those of you that are new to my channel or to my videos and you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead now while you're thinking about it and reach down below the video there, click the subscribe button and click that little notification bell so that you get notified when I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly here on the channel. Alright, so guys, let's go ahead and get started on this with that out of the way. First of all, I want to come over. We're going to be using CLICKBANK today. I mean, you can also, if you can't access CLICKBANK because of the country you live in, you can use digistore24.com as well also. So for this particular method, to show you this method today, I'm choosing the vegan market or the vegan niche. As you can see right here, I came over to the marketplace, get signed into your CLICKBANK account. Click on Marketplace like you see right up here where my mouse is, and then it puts you on this page right here. And you can see there's all kinds of categories of niches of products that you can choose here on CLICKBANK. So for this particular method, like I said, I typed in vegan right here in the search bar, and then I searched by gravity right here, sorted by gravity, and I found this particular product right here is called the Plant-Based Recipe Cookbook. It's done for you vegan recipes, and you can make about $15.16 per sale currently on that, and it's got a reasonable gravity of about 15.6. So that means there's about 16 people online every month that are making money from this particular product right here. So what you can do is probably, about 5 or 6 sales of this will put you at about $100 per day. So how we're going to do that, this is going to be our product. What we're going to do is we'll come back here a little bit later and we'll click right here, and we will get our promote link or our affiliate link or hop link to promote this. So what we want to do now is google.com. I came to Google, and if you'll notice, I typed in the Google search engine right here. I typed in vegan tips right here, because what we want to do is want to find a little bit of information about vegans, right? And then I scrolled down and I came down and I found this right here, How to Go Vegan by the Vegan Society right here. And I clicked on that, and that brought me over to here, to this page here, and about how to go vegan and stuff. And what I'm going to do is I found a little bit of information here. I'm just going to use this little bit of information right here. So what we want to do is the first site that we want to come to, now that you have your product, you want to come over to is Twitter. Alright guys, and what you want to do is free to create an account of Twitter. If you don't have one, you don't have to have any followers for this particular method. Just sign up for Twitter. It's free. Sign up, get signed in, and come back in and get logged in, and you can see that we're on the home part right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a post or a tweet here on Twitter. So what I want to do is I want to take some of this information right here. But first of all, before we do this, what we're going to do is we're going to come back and we're going to get our link, and then we're going to shorten it up. So you want to make sure you click on promote on whatever product you chose. Like I said, guys, you can do this in any niche that you want to do this in. And then make sure that your account nickname is in the box right here. If you want, you can add a tracking ID, and then click on generate hop links, and it gives you the hop link right here. We want to copy that, right? And then what we're going to do is we're going to bring it over to this site right here. Instead of bit.ly, guys, I've been using Rebrandly here because I like the links. Their links are a little bit better looking to me. You can use bit.ly or tiny URL, whatever you want, and then just shorten that up. And they want us to put in the crosswalks here, I guess they're saying. There we go. So it shortened up our link, you see right here, and it gave us this nice little link right here, guys. You see that? Now, like I always say, we want to copy that. Like I always say, we want to test these links out. So we'll just come over here and paste it in right there, and then test it out, and it should take us to the product, and it does. This is the sales page for the product, guys. It's a nice, professionally laid out, nice looking sales page, and people can read this about these recipes on plant-based recipes for vegans, right? And then they can come down here and click right here and buy that as well. It's a cookbook on delicious vegan recipes. So that works. The shortened up link works like we wanted it. So now what we want to do is come back to Twitter, and we're going to create a post with this information that we talked about right here on Vegan Society here. I'm going to take this information here, and I'm going to paste it right in here as a tweet. Be right back here in just a moment. I'm going to sort of straighten this out, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, you can see right here that I've sort of cleaned this up a little bit. I said it's time we let you in on a little secret. Going vegan is actually a piece of cake. It says you've already taken the all-important first step on your vegan journey. Now I said here are some tried and tested, fast, tasty recipes to help this exciting process go smoothly. See, I sort of straightened that up a little bit, and then what we want to do is we're going to come back to Rebrandly, and we're going to copy our link, and we're going to paste that Rebrandly link right there, just like that, guys. Actually, we're going to add a GIF in here too. So we'll click on GIF, and we're going to type in here vegan recipes, just to see what we get here. And you can see there's all kinds of cool little GIFs right here, guys. And we just want to kind of get one that's, I don't know, let's take that one right there. It's just a little GIF. And then what we want to do is we'll go ahead and we will tweet that. And you can see that it tweeted. And then what we want to do is we want to click on that. And then what we want to do is we want to grab this link after you click on it. And we want to get this link right up here. That is the link to our tweet. So we want to copy that, and then we'll bring it over, and we'll just want to paste it in here to make sure it goes straight to it. And you can see it does. It goes straight to that, and then there's our affiliate link right there. All right, so then what we want to do is now what we want to do is we want to come over to another site. Twitter, the reason we're using Twitter, guys, is not only going to get high traffic from here. You see we're on Twitter, and I bring up my similar web here. And if you look right up here, when I scroll up, there's 6.7 billion people, guys, that come to Twitter every single month right now. Okay, so that's one site, one high traffic free site that you're going to be able to use here. Now, the other site, what we're going to do is how we're going to work this is we're going to come over here to Reddit. You see it up here in the address bar. It's reddit.com. This site, how much traffic does it get? Or on Reddit, you see here off the similar web, we scroll up, it gets 1.7 billion visitors per month. And you can see here that on Reddit, what I did is I signed in, guys. These accounts are free to sign up to these sites. These are social sites. You just click create an account on Reddit and get signed up and get logged in. And once you get logged in, you'll notice up here in the address bar, in their search bar rather, I typed in vegan right here, did a search, clicked on communities and users. And you can see right here that there are all kinds of vegan particular groups, if you will, or communities here on Reddit, and they all have tens of thousands of members in them. So this is a lot of free traffic that you can see going on right here. So what you want to do is you want to join as many groups as you can. All right, and then what you want to do, for example, I'm just going to join this second group right here. So if you click on it, it's instant. You've joined instantly. Then what we want to do is we want to click on that group, and then we're going to create a post. So then created a post here, and then what we're going to do, put in a title here. Just a moment here, guys. I'll be right back. Alrighty, guys, you can see that I put a little post right here on Reddit. You can see what I put here in the title. Have you seen this resource for fast, tasty, plant-based vegan recipes? And I said here, hi, I found a great resource for easy to make and tasty plant-based vegan recipes I wanted to share with everyone I found on Twitter. And then I said, you can see it right here. So what we want to do then is we want to come back to Twitter, and we want to get this link right here. And then there you go right there, guys. You can see that. And then you want to paste your Twitter, the link to your Twitter post, which will be right up here. And you want to paste it right into the group right there. And then all you would do would be to click post. And then once that's posted, and then somebody comes over here to Twitter, because this link will lead them back to Twitter, to your post. And then when they click over here and they see this right here, and they click on our Rebrandly link right here, guys, about these recipes, and that'll bring them over here, and they'll have a chance to buy this particular product, and you'll be able to make money doing this particular method, just like this. So that way we're not putting any kind of an affiliate link on Reddit. Actually, all we're doing is we're redirecting them back to Twitter, where our post is right here, and then they'll see this and they can click on here and buy the product. That is how you do that, guys. That's the method I had for you today, guys. It's a really easy, simple method using 2 high traffic websites, and one will redirect back to the other, and that's how people, when you're going to get traffic from not only Twitter but Reddit also as well. And that's how you drive free traffic to any ClickBank or Digistore 24 product that you want to use. Alrighty, guys, if you like this video, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. Also, if you have any comments or questions, just leave them down below in the comment section, and I'll get with you on that. And also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there below the video and click the notification bell. And also, you want to see my #1 recommended affiliate marketing business, click down there below in the top of my description where you see it says mentorwithkev.com, and then come over and see what's available there for you as well in my #1 recommended business. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care and have a great day. Bye-bye now.